How's it going? Meteorologist Mike Brookins here. Back to some cold. This should be reading Thursday morning. Look at this temperature, 13 degrees where we started. You know, it was 24 hours ago. We were in the 30s to start the day. Single digits up in Saranac Lake and almost there down towards Ithaca at 12 degrees. And there'll be very little temperature rise for today. Yesterday, there you see 21 and 32, although that 21 came late. That 32 was not above freezing, but the day before we had 33. So at least a couple of days there. The roads got a little bit nicer. Perhaps you got your car washed. Here's where we normally are this time of the year. Nowhere near that today. 39. In fact, we're not even going to get up to our normal low for a high temperature, at least not record low temperature earlier on, -8. And wouldn't that be nice? Record high, 71, back a long time ago in 1976. Today it's in the teens. It's colder for today. We've got flurries out there southeast of the lake. If you're east of the lake, more in the way of sunshine. Tonight temperatures go below zero as we partially clear. The light lake effect flurries will be shifting as the winds go from northwest today to west and then southwest. So that'll push it up east of Lake Ontario. Tonight we could pick up an inch of fluffy snow in some spots, especially east of the lake because of that. Sun and clouds for tomorrow, generally dry, and temperatures are going to be still struggling. 20 degrees. Not below zero, but below normal. We've got some clouds from a storm system down to the south. It's a big impact on Philadelphia, Baltimore this morning into the mountains of the Appalachians. We're getting the high clouds from that. Additionally, we've got low-level clouds and some flurries southeast of the lake with a northwesterly wind flow. Just some filtered sunshine here at 11 a.m. in the North Country from Watertown north. You'll turn mostly sunny today. Here in Syracuse, turning partly sunny, but still a spray of some light lake effect flurries by the end of the day. I think they do ease up. So if we see accumulation, it's most likely in the morning, and the best chance for up to an inch would be south of Syracuse over higher terrain. As you lift the lake effect up higher, it squeezes out just a little bit more. Now that wind shift takes place for tonight. Not yet here at 7 o'clock. In fact, all the way through midnight, we're still bringing in some light flurries into Syracuse. Could make the roads a little bit greasy as the temperatures drop into the single digits. But the winds become west and tomorrow morning southwest, so that moves it to the north, and with that partial clearing, we get cold. At least it looks pretty sunny here, doesn't it, on Friday? And I think we carry this dry condition into Saturday morning for the Shamrock Run up on Tipperary Hill. 4,000 plus people going to be there. It won't be as cold as what we're going to be dealing with Friday morning. Will likely be near 20 degrees, but still chilly. So you'll have to dress for that. Closer to a seasonal chill versus the ridiculous cold, you know, not too far away from record cold we're going to be dealing with for tonight. Looking at the temperatures today, though, really struggling a lot of the day. 16 degrees for our high temperature, and as we finish the day, temperatures start to actually go down, and tonight they'll be going down into the single digits. So here's your hour-by-hour forecast as we go through today. Look for temperatures to climb from about 12 degrees to 16 degrees, and then they start to fall later in the day. Mostly cloudy, turning partly sunny. East of Lake Ontario, more in the way of sunshine. Look for the flurries to add up to very little here in Syracuse. However, when you get in the hills south, we could find a fluffy 1 inch. And more in the way of sunshine, I should mention once again. East of Lake Ontario, you'll turn mostly sunny. Then for this evening, partly cloudy, still some light lake effect flurries southeast of the lake. 5 degrees by 11 o'clock. You know it's going to be cold when we're already that cold, and with some further clearing late night, -1 will be our low. 19 with sun and clouds for Friday. Friday night, 14 then rising. So for the race on Saturday, 20 or better. 30 will be the high temperature with snow showers developing Saturday. We'll advance the clock Saturday night. Sunday, 37 with snow tapering. We've got 40s in the forecast Tuesday, Wednesday.